Meta Business Suite is a comprehensive platform that enables businesses to manage their Facebook and Instagram accounts from a single interface. For using it, you have to visit Meta Business Suite and log in with your Facebook credential. Ensure your Facebook page is connected to your business account. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your business activity, including recent posts, messages, and insights. Navigate to the post and story, click on create a post, and draft a new content. You can use schedule option to plan a post for future dates. You can access to the inbox, view to the respond to the message. If you have any, utilize automated response for frequently asked question to save your time. You can go to the ad section to create and manage advertising campaigns. You can go to the insight tabs to offer a data on audience engagement, reach, other key metrics. Use this information to refine your content and marketing strategy. If you have a Facebook shop, access the commerce manager to explore. You can explore other features like content calendar for planning, notification, and updates. So this was a kind of walkthrough to your Facebook Meta Business Suite, and I'll see you in the next one.